How to find my Shopify store URL. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can find your Shopify store URL, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So remember that when you try to create a store here into shopify.com, probably this asked you for the name that you want to place to your store. Now, I've created this account just by skipping all those details, so I was not able to change the name of my store. So what I'm telling you that because the first way in order to find your Shopify URL is going to online store here in the left panel. Now going to pages, there are going to be several pages if you have added some more. This contact page is the default page that we are going to find. So you must click on view page and this is the URL of your store. Now, if in the moment that I was creating my account, my store here in shopify.com, and I decided to put the name of, new channel. So these letters here are going to be changed by newchannel.myshopify.com. It's just an example. So if you want to go there, you must write newchannel.myshopify.com, and that's the URL of your store. But in my case, it's not new channel because I didn't add a name to my store. It's E1A501. That's my URL. So probably if I write the same here, that's how I'm going to get into my store, my channel. And I try to here place this word in order to show you that in real, this is my Shopify store. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can find your Shopify URL. Thanks for watching.